lecture for this chapter. Right, in the previous lecture, students, we have seen that Madhuben wants to start up a business, right? And for that business, whatever the things she needed, she has noted down. That means she has made prepared a list that whatever she will require in that mango business. So she has made a list of it. Along with that, she has made an expense also, that how much total money she requires to start up this business. Now based on that only certain questions are there, right, which we are going to see. When they extract pulp from mango, it weighs 1/3 of a mango. That means here when they want to start up with that business of preparing a mango pulp, whatever the mangoes they have brought, right, but the mango pulp will be 1/3 of the entire mangoes, right. जितना भी mangoes लाएंगे, mango pulp उसका 1/3 part ही होगा. I will explain you the meaning of 1/3 part also. Second question is, they have planned to extract pulp from 6,000 kg mangoes in a month, right. In a month they are going to prepare the mango pulp from 6,000 kg of mangoes. 6,000 kg mangoes they are going to use to make a mango pulp. That means एक महीने में उन्हें 6,000 kg mangoes चाहिए. They require 6,000 kg mangoes in a month. Now let's see how much they can prepare the mango pulp from it. How much pulp will be prepared in a month? Now see, in the very first statement it has been written that the mango pulp will be 1/3 of the total mangoes, right. So total mangoes are how much, students? 6,000, right. So the mango pulp will be 1/3 of it. 1/3 means 6,000 divided by 3. 6,000 divided by 3. So here I am showing you, students, 6,000 divided by 3. 1/3 means 6,000 को आपको 3 से divide करना है. It's a third part of the total mangoes. So if you divide 6,000 by 3, students, you get 2,000 kg mangoes pulp, right. 2,000 kg mango pulp. So you can say that total 6,000 kg mangoes they have brought, but out of that only the pulp they can make it out, that is 2,000 kg pulp only they can be able to prepare from it, right. Okay students, now let's see the calculations which Madhuben is actually doing, right. So initially the Madhuben is doing the calculation for the first 6 kg mangoes, right. She wants to make a calculation for the 6 kg mangoes, the pulp she is going to prepare from 6 kg mangoes. So let's see the entire scenario. For the purchase of the mangoes, that means she is purchasing the mangoes, that means 6 kg mango she is going to buy. So the cost of 1 kg mango is 15 rupees per kg, right. And if she is making the mango pulp from it, right, she will be selling it at 70 rupees per kg. So let's see the first question into it. If we extract mango pulp from 6 kg mangoes, we get dash kg pulp, right. As we have seen in the initial phase also, that whatever will be the mangoes, right, the mango pulp will be 1/3 of it. The mango pulp will be 1/3 of it. Now if there are 6 kg mangoes she has bought, so how much pulp will be prepared? So 6 divided by 3. So only 2 kg mango pulp we will be able to, she will be able to get. So here I am writing 2. Next one is the total amount to be paid for 6 kg mangoes is equal to 6 multiplied by dash. Now see, this is, they are talking about the purchase price. So what is the purchase price for 1 kg mango? That is 15 rupees. So here I am writing 15. So 6 into 15 we got 90. Now amount received by selling 2 kg mango pulps. Now the pulp is ready. Now it is about to sell. So the cost of the selling price of 1 kg pulp is 70 rupees. So here I am writing 2 multiplied by 70. So how much money she will be getting? She will be getting 140 rupees. She will be getting 140 rupees by selling 2 kg mango pulp. Therefore the amount by selling the pulp prepared from 6 kg mangoes is rupees. Okay, now the total here we are considering the profit, right? And now just to see the overall profit, she bought the mangoes in how much rupees? 90 rupees. And in what price she is selling the pulp? 140 rupees. So 140 minus 90. So she is earning rupees 50. She is earning rupees 50, right? So if we prepare the mango pulp of 6000 kg mangoes, the amount we earn dash into rupees 1000. Now, but obviously if 6000 kg mangoes are there, right? So, and if we prepare the mango pulp from 6000 kg, the amount we earn is, now see, here it is 50 rupees. See, for 6 kg mangoes, students, the profit earned is rupees 50. 6 kg mangoes, the profit earned is 50 rupees. So we need to calculate for the 6000 also, right? So just multiply 50 with the 1000. So 50 if you multiply with 1000, so overall she can earn 50,000 rupees. 50 multiplied by 1000, so overall she will get 50,000 rupees. 6 kg mango, she makes a profit of 50 rupees for 6,000, right? 6 में से आपको अगर 1000 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, so you will get 6,000. So right, so 50 में अगर आप 1000 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, so you will get the overall profit. That means it is 50,000 is the overall profit she can make, and that is only for 1 month, right? So you can imagine for the remaining months also. Okay students, now let's see the last page of this chapter, page number 15. Here you can see that table is being drawn, right? This table is all about the expense which is actually been done in the process of mango pulp, right? So let's see students. Anita, I have found out by another calculation that 1500 kg ice will be required every month. Now, but obvious, if we are making the mango pulp, we need a proper refrigeration for it, right? So, how much ice is required? That is 1500 kg ice will be required every month, right? Every month we require 1500 kg ice. So its cost is rupees 2 per kg. That means 1 kg ice, the cost of 1 kg ice is rupees 2, right? So let's see the calculation. Ice 1500 you require. The cost of 1 kg ice is rupees 2. So just multiply. So we'll get 3000 rupees. Right, 3000 rupees is the expense which needs to be made for ice. Now see the second expense, packaging charge and the rickshaw fare. So but obviously you need to if you have prepared the mango pulp, you need to pack also, right? And the rickshaw fare, why the rickshaw fare is required? Because you need to you cannot keep that mango pulp with you, you need to supply it also, you need to distribute also. So the total expense of packaging and the rickshaw fare is 3000. So 3000 for the ice and 3000 for the packaging and rickshaw fare. So the total monthly expense of buying mangoes and the selling mango pulp is rupees. Total expense of buying the mangoes and selling mango pulp is, here they are talking about the total expense, so we can write here the 6000 rupees, right? So Madhuben, oh how nice, from this calculation we know that our bank will earn rupees 44,000 per month. Why it is only written 44,000 per month, right? Remember students, I talked about page number 14 that 50,000 is the amount which they can earn from this business, right? 50,000 is their earnings for the 1 month. Out of that, 6,000 is being spent for this kind of expenses, that means ice and the auto rickshaw and the packaging fare. So 50,000 minus 6,000 is 44,000. So actually their bank can earn 44,000 rupees per month. I hope students you got each and everything regarding this particular topic.
आभार।